choosing soccer drills for kids can be difficult. How do you know which drills will be fun for the kids? How do you know which drills will be too hard or too easy? And most importantly, how do you know which drills will provide kids with the best opportunity to develop their skills? Now, if any of these questions have crossed your mind, you're in the right place. Now, you may not be able to change how much coaching experience you have overnight, but what you can do is choose a drill that creates an optimal learning environment. When choosing drills for kids who have very little experience in the sport of soccer, you don't need to be an expert, you just need to keep it simple. Thankfully, we're here to make it easy. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 3 simple drills for kids that focus on shooting. But before we get into it, if you like any of the drills that you see here today, be sure to check out the Athlete Era Soccer app to access our full library of soccer drills for all ages and skill levels. Now let's get you ready for next practice. Now the first drill we have is called ground ball. Now this is a great one to first introduce kids to shooting. Start by getting players to pair up with either their parent or a teammate and find an open space in the field. Have them get a ball and stand 5 to 10 meters away from the parent. Have parents start in the kneeling position with the ball. Now the drill is simple. Parents will start by rolling the ball to their kid who either shoots it back first time or takes a touch and then shoots it back. Encourage parents to cheer on their kids. All we're looking for here is for kids to get lots of reps and get comfortable striking the ball. The second drill we have is called Clean Your House. This fun, action-packed game is a great way to get kids lots of repetition in a short amount of time. Start by creating a 15 by 15 meter grid with a 5 meter neutral zone in the middle. Divide the group up into 2 teams. The goal of the game is to keep balls out of your house by kicking them to the other team's side. The team with the most balls in their house at the end of the game has to make some sort of funny face or do some sort of fun movement. Encourage players to try kicking the ball with both feet to make it easier to clean both sides of their house. The last drill is called Knock Them Down. This drill not only allows players to work on their aim, but their celebrations as well. Start by creating a 20 by 20 meter grid and place balls on top of cones on either end of the grid. Have players grab a ball of their own and spread out inside the playing area. When the coach says go, players will try to knock as many balls off cones as possible. When they knock a ball down, they place it back on top of the cone and move on to the next one. Remind players to aim before they shoot and maybe get a couple parents to help out with this one as well. Now that you're all ready to go with some new drill ideas for next practice, be sure to download the free Athlete Era Soccer app to find more great drills. And to make your life even easier, you can find all those great drills and pre-made practice plans.